In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a bank account to Splitwise. Right away, there's an important detail you need to know. Splitwise itself does not support true, direct bank account linking inside the app the way a banking app or a payment wallet does. Instead, what Splitwise allows you to do is record and organize payments that are actually made through other services like bank transfers, payment apps, or cash. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to use Splitwise's Settle Up feature to keep track of those payments that come from your bank, even though the bank account doesn't technically connect inside Splitwise. Start by opening your browser and going to the Splitwise website. Log into your account, and once you're on your dashboard, look for the option labeled Settle Up. This is the main button you'll use whenever you want to record that you've paid someone back or someone has paid you. Click on Settle Up. A window or the panel will open that shows who you owe or who owes you and how much. Here, Splitwise is not moving any money by itself. It's just preparing to record that a payment has happened. This is where your real-world bank transfer comes in. In that same panel, you'll see a section where you can choose a payment method. Click on it to open the list of available options. Depending on your location, you might see choices like bank transfer, payment apps, or even cash. If you're paying someone directly from your bank account, you'll want to select the option that best matches how you're actually sending the money outside Splitwise. For example, if you initiate a bank transfer through your banking app, choose something like bank transfer, or the closest equivalent here. Once you've chosen the payment method, make sure the amount and the person you're settling up with are correct. It can help to double check the numbers against your bank app before you confirm, just to avoid any confusion later. When everything looks right, click on Save. By saving, you're telling Splitwise, I've made this payment using my bank or another service.